Hi, my name is Ron Renner. In this Interac tip video, we are going to overview laser-generated form 941. 941s in Interac are easy. Draws data direct from Interac. Math is performed for you in terms of subtotals and so forth. And there's a certain amount of error checking that takes place. Very little setup is involved. And let's take a look at the setup for a normal company. The good news is, most of the setup is probably already done. You've already filled out the company name, address, federal ID number, and so forth. If you wish to have a third-party designee print, though, on the back of the form, you will need to set that up. And under the basic interface, which is what I'm using here, this is done under Setup Maintenance, User Maintenance, Titles, and Tax Information. Under the Enhanced interface, where you see the file names, this is under User File Maintenance, and it's User File number 1. Let's take a look at how to set this up. I'm in Payroll. We'll go to Setup and Maintenance, User Maintenance, and in the basic interface, choose Titles and Tax Information. In the Enhanced interface, where you see the file names, we would choose User File number 1. From here, we'll proceed over to the SCUI/Other tab, and here is the information we fill out for the third-party designee. Once we have that done, we're ready to try printing one. Generate the form. We'll go to Reporting Inquiry, Print Laser Forms, and choose a master file that has the correct information in it for the quarter. I'm going to send a copy of it to the document management system so we'll be able to see it on the screen. If you were doing this under the Enhanced interface, you would be able to specify a print file. Click 941 and you can see our fields are populated with information direct out of the master file. We will need to enter some deposit information, whether we're a monthly scheduler, semi-weekly, or under $2,500. And I'll put in some data that matches our deposit amount. And I'll put our total deposits down here. And I currently do this for 3 companies every quarter. And what you see is all I really do, other than to enter some rounding for fractions of cents. Now you may have other needs that you may need to address. I'll click Print, choose a printer, and our form is being generated. We'll put a name in for Document Manager. And we'll see that when we go into it in a moment. Our form has now been generated. I would personally go to the printer and take a look at it and check it out, because you can still come in here and click 941 and the values you've entered will still be there. We'll go ahead and end and take a look at it in Document Manager. And here's our form. We can see the correct quarters checked and so forth. Numbers are all there. And we can see our designee information printing down on page 2. To summarize, Laser 941s make their creation much less of a chore. You still, though, must verify its accuracy, just as you would with a 941 you would have prepared manually. And you must have laser forms licensed, which you may have already licensed for doing complete W-2s and other things. Thanks for viewing. If you feel this presentation has been of value, please like the video, subscribe, and click the bell if you'd like to be notified of future videos. This will help encourage future interactive videos, and other presentations are available at www.tipsahoy.com/interac. Thank you.